Hello everyone and welcome to the final episode of our JavaScript code snippets for everyday use case. In this video, we are going to look at how we can convert a given array into a CSV format. Right. So why do we need to do this? So let's say we have some data that is given in an array, but in order for CSV file readers, spreadsheets and Excels to read that data, it needs to be converted into the CSV format, right? Or in other formats as well. But here we are looking at the CSV format. So how do we convert this given array into this type of data? Right. So let's say, first of all, we have a function over here, array to CSV, which takes the array and the delimiter. This delimiter is the one which separates two items. So 1 and 2 here is separated by this comma. Right. Next thing that we have is we will return the array and map over it, and then inside this row is itself an array, because you see outer array there is, and then there is these two inner arrays. So this row is actually this inner array, right? So on this row we are again mapping, and what we are doing is actually adding quotes on the item. So you see this one is in double quotes, two is in double quotes, right? So that's what this map is doing. And after that we'll join the delimiter between the two values, between the two items. So you see between 1 and 2 we have this comma. All right, so right now the output is an array, but we don't want that. So what we will do is at last we'll join the everything else with a new line, right? So what this new line will do, it will, so let's say we have 1 2 and then 3 4 will come to the next line. So that's what this new line symbol represents over here. So that's what we have done with this join. So that's it. We have successfully converted a given array into a CSV format. Thank you.